Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Clickup to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then, click on the Add First Step button to begin building your workflow. Now, in the search bar, type Clickup and click on it when it appears. Here, you'll see different triggers and actions available for Clickup. You can explore them, but for this example, click on Create a Comment. Next, click on Select Credential and then click on Connect My Account. Now you'll be prompted to log in, either enter your email address or simply continue with Google. Then choose the Google account you want to connect. After that, click on Continue to complete the integration. Now go back to the main Clickup node setup. Here, select the resource you want to work with, like a list, task, or view, and then select the operation such as create a comment. Then enter the ID of the specific task or item you want to comment on. Now type in the comment text that you want to post. Once everything is set up, go back and check your workflow. You can now test it by clicking the play button and reviewing it directly in your Clickup workspace. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.